Hello, this is UJAT Care founder Michael, and this is the second video in the series of onboarding your staff members. As you recall, in our last video, the staff member received an email and a text message with a link that would take them to the screen that you now see in front of you. It would have their company name, their email, the phone number they provided. At this point, it's going to ask them to register. I will now create a registration. It'll advise me if that username is available. It is. It'll now ask me to create a proper secured password, which I'm going to do at this moment. It has to have uppercase, lowercase, symbols, and numbers, and be at least 10 in length. Then, as you can see here, then I'm going to select this so that we know that it's not spam, accept the terms, and then submit and save. It now confirms that this information is correct and asks me to find the email with an additional link to complete the process. Let's see if we can't find that email again. And sure enough, there it is, asking us to verify our account. So normally I would click this, but in this moment I'm just going to copy the link, close this screen, and return here so we can continue the process. Now it asks me for my username, which is Mike Care, and it asks me for the password, which I believe my system saved, and to log in. At this point, I'm going to receive a security code to the number I provided. If my number is wrong, I can also change my mobile number. In this case, it's correct. So I'm going to enter the code, which you heard appear on my phone. And again, this is the process your caregiver is going to experience. And my code here is 313217. Verify the code. The reason we're using dual verification and requesting caregivers go through this process is primarily for security reasons. Your caregiver will now be asked to complete their contact information. They have to complete this, otherwise they cannot continue. So in this case, I'm going to just insert an address. I'll use 21st Centuries, Bradenton, Florida, and I'll submit my contact information. And welcome to my caregiver dashboard. By default, every caregiver receives cloud storage that are private, shared, and public. They can create files and folders, and that'll be in another video which will follow this sequence. We'll also be giving them other permissions, which I'll show to you shortly. For now, we'll end this video and proceed on to video number 3, which is what you do on your side of the onboarding process. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.